Hello guys, my name is Bravin. I'm a software engineering student here at GOMYCODE. So for me, my personal experience is nilitoka campus kwanza, and then I wanted to learn the tech skills because it aligns with my visions. In my journey of finding a tech bootcamp where I can have a structured framework to learn the tech skills, the instructors are also very friendly. My instructor is called Mark. He's taking me through the JavaScript, as I said earlier, the man stack. So far, so good. Anyway, I have a challenge, I have the guidance that I need, and yeah, it's been a good experience. So I wanted a structured learning setup whereby I can track my progress and I have someone to hold me accountable and someone to hold my hand, and for me, GOMYCODE is that place. The one thing that I would wish I knew before coming into tech is that it's very intensive. Tech is very time intensive. It requires you to commit, I'd say, a good number of hours per day into it. It's not something that you can do on and off. You cannot code for 1 week and then disappear for 3 weeks and think that it will be good. So tech definitely calls on you to code daily. Even if it's not coding, at least you can watch a tutorial, but every day you need to be moving in a structured direction. Yeah.